Astronaut here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to add commands to command prompt. So I can give you a good example here. So you know the command ping, so like pinggoogle.com. Oh, I'm going to need to blank out the IP, I'm joking. And you know how to basically DDoS. Oh, yep, guys, this is my new booter. It's pinging in command prompt. And basically, you just do this and it never stops pinging Google. Okay, well, that's been made already. So if you haven't learned yet, if you don't know how to learn batch, this is pointless for you because you don't know how to code the file that executes when you type in the command. Now, if you don't know batch, go check out my series, or you can look it up yourself because I don't even know if I explain it correctly. Because the way I learned it is not that many videos ever explain it good, so I don't know if I did it myself. So yeah, alrighty. So let's get into it. Enough of this jibble jabble, silly boy Zeke. Alright, so let's get into it. Sorry, that was stupid. Alright, so first, we're going to create a file, which is what you want the name of your command to be. So ping is ping.bat, so I'm going to name it, since if you type in ping, it's going to do that. So if I made a file called ping, that's what will execute when I typed in ping. In this case, I'm going to name it YouTube command. Wait, I like to keep it together so I don't type in a syntax error or make it simple. And then change the .txt to .bat. Now, if you didn't see a .txt at what did I just do? I just changed all my files name to YouTube command. What the fuck is this? Let me see what this is. This is nothing. Okay, no. Oh my gosh, it changed everything, guys. What the frick? Okay, I don't know what the frick just happened, but I just changed all my names to freaking that, okay? That's what they've been named. Sorry about that. So we're gonna go and we're gonna use it. It's not need to know. So we're gonna have YouTube command one bat, like so. And I'm just gonna rename it to YouTube. Alright, oops. I don't want any spaces in it. There. So YouTube command.bat. Now, if you didn't ever see the .txt at the end when we edited it when you first started, go to your file explorer, and then up here at the top where it says view, click view, and then when you see show/hide, we click here, and file name extensions, make sure that's checked, and then you change the .txt to .bat. Okay, now we'll get edit. You get edit with Notepad. I choose Notepad ++. So now that I'm open, this is what I want to execute. So obviously start off with this, and then you can execute what you want to say. I'm going to say, this file has been executed. Forget, I don't know how to spell execute. Has been ran. And then type IP to TDOS. And I'm actually gonna do that. It's gonna be stupid. And then now that I did that, I'm gonna do ping/t. It's freaking stupid. Percent IP percent. That's not gonna work actually. I'm not even good at. And now I'm gonna set a fake thing. I'm gonna set. Let's see here. Echo sending packets and then I'm gonna make it look realistic by timing it out. So timeout/T5, make it null. And then I'm gonna do packet I'm gonna make it packet 1 out of 100. And I'm gonna do another timeout /t5 null and echo like packet /t. Alright, so I'll be back when I'm done coding my file and ready to put in command prompt. Alright, so I've successfully coded what my file is going to execute right here. So it's named YouTube command.bat. Okay, I saved it. Now that I have it, this is the trick part to make it be able to be executed, which is go open File Explorer. Now open your C drive. If you don't know how to get to your C drive, go to this PC and then go under and you'll see drivers and devices and drivers. You'll see a local disk C. We double click on that and it'll take us into here. You're going to go to Windows and you're going to look for System 32. Now don't be scared because this won't harm it in any way because it will never use this file unless told to use in command prompt. And we're just going to move that file to System 32. Now you do need an administrator to do this, so I'm going to do it. And now it's in. Now if you don't believe me here, if we go to ping, you know the command ping, here goes ping.exe because it executes ping. Let's try another command. IP config.exe right here. What else? Oh yeah, I have Hydra installed. Hydra.bat. What else could I say? What's another command? Is it tree? Tree? Okay, no, that's not it. But type in any command you know, and there will be an exe for it because it runs and executes that. So that's just so you believe me, okay? And then you got taskkill.exe. See what I'm getting out of this? Etc. etc. Yeah, exit, which closes it. I don't know if this. Yeah, that command's not up there. Echo. Okay, no, echo's not a thing. Okay. CD. Okay, yeah. CD is going to be different because it's got a bunch of other functions batch and exe can't do, so it's going to be a .dll. That's copy directory. Alright, so now that our thing is in, we already go to our run file and we type in YouTube command. It's already going to recognize it now, but that's not even CMD yet. So if we go to CMD, as you can see, this is clearly CMD, and we just type in YouTube command. It's gonna go ahead and it's gonna name all that stuff, and it's going. This file has been ran. Type IP to DDoS. I'm gonna type a random one, which is gonna be 666.666.666.666, just to prove it's not real, and then a bunch of other random numbers and letters, just so that's not doing anything illegal. Sending pack. Oh, okay. It looks like I screwed up here, guys. Go ahead and hop aboard the fixed train, because that's what it is. Because I want to get the most authentic DDoSer in the world. So, YouTube command that. I thought I put E's at the end. Nope, I never did. So timeout. There we go. That should fix it, and we do need to launch this in administrator mode to fix it from there. Okay, so we have fixed it, and now if we decide to go ahead and do this again, YouTube command file HHHH. Sitting in okay, I don't know what happened here. I don't know why it still says timeout. But it's okay. If you code it right, it's going to be fine. Packet 5090. Target hit offline. And it's going to go right back to it. Which then you do it. And then you see, I made it look made it look like they abused something like Windows packet transfer. It doesn't matter. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video on how to do so. I might start doing a Python series because I'm in the middle of learning it. And obviously I need content to upload because I'm running out of ideas. If you like help the channel, you could go to my Patreon and give me all your money. I'm joking. You could actually suggest ideas of what you want me to upload. Because I'm starting to run out of stuff. Like, no joke. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't mind this freaking weird junk right here. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. I know you did. Subscribe me so I get more money. Just kidding. Like or subscribe. And boy, I'm joking. I'm not going to do that. Bye.